Welcome to Nepal Biz Insights. This is the first video in our series where we break down money, finance, and investing in a simple way. If you have ever felt confused about money or wondered why it feels like money is always controlling your life, then this series is for you. And today, we are starting with the most important foundation, understanding money itself. Let's start with today's topic. Why does money control almost every part of your life? Think about it. The job you choose, the lifestyle you live, the stress you feel, the decisions you make in one way or another, money is always involved. And yet, most people spend their entire life chasing money. Take a moment and think about your daily life. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, money is influencing you. What you eat, where you go, how you travel, what you buy, even how you feel. Most people think they are controlling money, but in reality, money is controlling them. So the real question is, what is money really? How do you take control back? Because once you understand this, everything starts to change. Most people are taught only one thing: earn it. From a young age, we are told, study hard, get a job, earn money, and that becomes the entire focus. But no one really teaches what money is, how it works, how to manage it, how to grow it. So people grow up with income, but without understanding, and that creates a problem. Imagine someone starts earning. At first, it feels good. They have independence, they can spend, they feel progress. But slowly, expenses start increasing, daily expenses, lifestyle, family responsibilities. Money starts disappearing faster than it comes in, so they try to earn more. But even then, they still feel the same pressure. The problem was never income, the problem was understanding. Let's take a simple example, John. John earns a decent salary. At the beginning, everything feels manageable. But over time, his expenses increase: rent, food, transportation. He doesn't track anything. He just spends. At the end of the month, he wonders, where did all my money go? So he thinks, I need to earn more, but even after earning more, the same pattern continues. More income, more expenses, same stress. Now let's look at someone else. David, same job, same salary, same situation, but different awareness. He starts by understanding money. He tracks his expenses. He becomes aware of where money is going. He plans, he controls spending, he saves intentionally. He thinks before making decisions, and slowly his financial situation improves, not because he earns more, but because he understands more. So what is money? Money is not just currency, it is a tool. A tool that allows you to exchange value, a tool that helps you make decisions. It can either give you freedom or create stress. The problem is most people treat money emotionally. Not logically, they spend based on feelings, not based on understanding. Let's go deeper. Money flows in two directions. It comes in, and it goes out. Simple, but powerful. If more money is going out than coming in, you feel pressure. The goal is controlling the flow of money. In Nepal, this issue is very common. Many people focus only on earning. There is social pressure, spending on lifestyle and events, spending to maintain status, and slowly, money disappears without building anything. Think about someone working abroad, earning more money, sending money home. But if that money is not managed properly, the situation does not improve. Common mistakes: not tracking expenses, spending emotionally, trying to impress others, not planning, not saving, not thinking long term. Each of these seems small, but together, they create financial stress. If you don't understand money, money controls you. Ask yourself honestly, do you control your money? Or does money control you? Do you know where your money goes? Start simple, track your money. Understand your spending, make intentional decisions. Control the flow, not just the income, because control creates freedom. Money is not the problem. Lack of understanding is the problem. Once you understand money, you start controlling it. Instead of being controlled by it, money will always be part of your life. The question is, will you control it or will it control you? Subscribe to Nepal Biz Insights for simple and practical tips. We break down complex topics into clear insights. See you in the next video.
Disclaimer. This video is created solely for educational and informational purposes. Please note that the content shared here does not constitute professional financial advice. Investing involves significant risk, and every financial decision you make carries its own set of challenges. We strongly encourage you to conduct your own thorough research or consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment commitments. Your financial security is your responsibility. Thank you for watching, and stay informed as you navigate the world of finance.